Very good morning to all present here. Myself, Dr. Vivekanandhan, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today, my topic is nutritional requirement of microbes. Generally, all living organisms require for food and energy for proper growth and development. Especially microorganisms vary significantly in terms of the source, the chemical form, and the amount of the essential elements that are needed. Some example of these essential nutrients are carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur material. These are the major nutrients. And mineral nutrients means the microbial nutrients can be classified two types. One is macronutrients and another one is micronutrients. The macronutrients is called the major nutrients, is required for the high amount of nutrients from the microorganism. And the minor nutrients means they require for trace amount of nutrients. Nutrients it's also required for the trace amount of nutrients on the basis amount of required material. Then macronutrients means especially for the containing according 80 to 90% of total weight. They always the water is always a major essential nutrient in quantitative terms. The solid matter of cells are the nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and potassium, magnesium, and sodium and calcium. The about 95% of cellular dry weight of microbial cells is accounted for only 6 macro elements: oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur material. Then micronutrients means the microorganisms require for the small amount of nutrients. Example for the molybdenum, magnesium, and copper and cobalt. These are the very trace amount of needed for energy of microorganism. These elements are the minor nutrients are the metal playing the role of cells catalyzed reaction, and many of them play a structural role in various enzyme systems. And growth factors. This is the major important for the growth factors. Beside the mineral nutrients, the microorganism needs some organic compost material. Most of the microorganisms are capable of synthesizing these organic compounds from simpler carbon resources. The other microorganism cannot or need the supply from outside for the proper growth and development. It can be categorized into 3 groups: amino acids, purines, and pyrimidines, and vitamins. And what are the nutrient state of major nutrient? Example, carbons means the organisms divided for different kind of group: autotrophs, heterotrophs, and phototropes, and hemotrophs, and all for some of the electron sources which upset the microorganisms. The autotrophs means using the carbon dioxide or biosynthetic carbon sources means the autotrophs self-utilize the organism nutrients. The microbes can be classified based on the carbon and the energy and the electron compounds. The photolithotropic autotrophs or photolithotrophs. Example, algae, cyanobacteria, purple and green sulfur bacterium. Then photoorganoheterotrophs means the purple and green non-sulfur bacteria. The hemolithobacteria means the sulfur oxidizing bacteria, and hydrogen bacteria, and nitrifying bacteria, and ion oxidizing bacteria. The next one bit consists of many organic material formation from inorganic raw material with the help of energy. Example for hemoautotrophs and photoautotrophs. Then photoautotrophs means they are a different kind of nature. They are photosynthetically very useful. It can be in cocci, bacillus, and spirala shaped organism. There are 2 types of pigment is available: bacteriochlorophyll 2 and chlorobium chlorophyll 2. Hemotrophs means it is the use of inorganic raw material for synthesis of organic material. It requires for the energy for oxidation of inorganic substances. The nitrifying bacteria, example Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, and then Nitrobacter and Nitrocyst. Then sulfur oxidizing bacteria, example it's called the Bacito and the colorless sulfur bacteria, and Diobacillus and Thiooxidans. Then ion bacteria means convert from the ferrous compound to the ferric compound. Example, ferrobacillus and ferrooxidants. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you.